The U.S. calendar for next week could shake the market. A huge number of important reports and a speech by Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. The market will have enough information every day to trade actively and draw new conclusions about the dollar's prospect. I remind you that I expect further strengthening of the U.S. currency against the euro and the pound. Consequently, statistics should be as positive as possible. Of course, this is not always the case. And in recent months, American data has been more disappointing than pleasing. Nevertheless, the euro is already on the move, while the pound is still waiting for the first rate cut from the Bank of England. But next week, none of this will matter if reports in America turn out to be stronger than the market expects. This is the context, as strong figures alone, stronger than previous ones, mean little. It's important that the data be stronger than market expectations. Already on Monday, we expect the ISM report on business activity in the manufacturing sector for June, with positive growth forecasts. On Tuesday, Jerome Powell will speak, and his rhetoric is unlikely to have become less hawkish over the past 2 weeks. Consequently, there should be no threat to the U.S. currency from him. Also on Tuesday, the JOLTS report on job openings will be released. On Wednesday, I highlight the minutes of the June FOMC meeting, which I consider hawkish, as well as the app report and the ISM in the services sector. I won't comment on the nature of the forecasts for these indicators, as it's important that any forecasts be exceeded by actual values. Thursday is a holiday in the U.S. due to Independence Day, and on Friday, unemployment rates, changes in average wages, and non-farm payrolls will be released. Practically every day next week, except Thursday, could be either destructive or festive for the dollar. Making forecasts about where both instruments will be at the end of the week, in my opinion, is not worth it, as the news background will be extensive, and it is impossible to predict how much and in which direction the actual value of each report will deviate from market expectations. I'll say this: there will be chances for both growth and decline. It is necessary to closely follow all the data and the speeches of Powell and Lagarde.